Once upon a time, in a deep and quiet forest, there lived an old and wise owl. This owl was highly respected by all the inhabitants of the forest because he could solve any problems and give signs and advice to everyone. One day, a dispute broke out among the animals in the forest. Rabbits and squirrels were arguing about who had the right to the most beautiful fruits of the forest. As the argument grew, the peace of the entire forest was disturbed. Thereupon, the animals decided to go to the bilge to solve the problem. After listening to both parties, Wise Owl said, "There is enough food for everyone in our forest. Everyone can be happy if they work together and are supported," he said. Upon these words of the owl, the rabbits and squirrels made an agreement and decided to share the fruits fairly. In addition, promises were made to provide mutual aid and cooperate in supporting the forest. After this incident, there was greater harmony and friendship among all the inhabitants of the forest. He understood that by listening to the amounts of everyone's examples of wisdom, it increased by multiplying and sharing together. At the end of the tale, children learn that working together and sharing is always the best solution to problems. Additionally, respecting others' opinions and finding a common solution leads to long-lasting friendships. As the days passed, the rabbits, squirrels, and other forest animals began to understand how important it was to work together and help each other. Thanks to this new friendship, the forest became even more alive, and there was happiness everywhere. One day, a group of children from a village close to the forest came to the forest and started picking flowers. The children admired the beauty of the forest, but unfortunately, they damaged some flowers by uprooting them. Seeing this, the forest animals became worried and immediately informed the wise owl. When the wise owl understood the situation, he made a plan to explain the importance of protecting nature to the children without harming them. Owl and other animals offered children a game of treasure hunting in the forest. During the game, while the children discovered the beauties of the forest, the animals taught them how to protect nature and respect their environment. At the end of the game, as the children left the forest, they promised to protect the forest and the animals living there. After they left, the wise owl and the other animals were happy to know that the forest was at peace and would be protected by future generations.